Hey there everyone, welcome back to Cowboy Survival. And I'm Richard. You're probably wondering, what is he doing laying in the grass? Well, we are going to use the Fresnel lens today and the late afternoon sun, and we're going to see if we can't make fire today. This is a really important skill to have, learning how to make fire with a lens. I think next to using a fire drill, it may be the most difficult way to make fire, but it's one of those skills that if you have it, it gives you a tremendous amount of self-confidence, and it teaches you something about the power of the sun. So let's just get into using your Fresnel lens to make fire, and let's see how it's done. So before we get started, let's talk about what we're going to need. I'm going to need a Fresnel lens. I'm also going to use some char cloth, and I've got some of that here. And I'm going to use some dryer lint to sort of be my tinder that I'm going to get burning. I'm going to put it on this cardboard. You can see I already tried it earlier today, and well, I had success. So hopefully we'll have success again. The sun is sort of up this way, so I'm repositioning myself so that we can get the sun coming through the lens. Now, one of the reasons this is an important skill is because it's so difficult and it takes patience, and it's one of those things that teaches you something about yourself and about discipline. So let's just see how this works. Let's see if we can make it work today. So the Fresnel lens you can get off Amazon. The one I got comes from Aviation Survival Equipment, and it comes in this little plastic package, and I'll pull it out. Now it's got a side that has some little ridges on it, and you can feel those over in the corner. And you want that to be, so we want this side right here, it's got some little ridges, that's going to be toward the sun. We're going to try to angle this so that the light comes through this lens, and it's going to focus on, I'm going to try to focus this down on a very tight spot. Now as soon as I get it focused on this char cloth is going to start to smoke. It's amazing how quickly this is going to start to happen. So let me get it focused as the sun comes through here. Let's see if I can get this focused. It's going to be hard because it's late afternoon sun. And let's see if we can't. So it's already starting to smoke. The idea here is not to get any flame. The idea is to use use the heat from the sun to heat this char cloth up so that I get a ember glowing in there. And I can already start to see one forming. So I already have an ember in here. So if you can see that, I've got an ember. So now what I'm going to do is take my cloth here, and I can take my char cloth and put it up inside my dryer lint. And there we go, the dryer lint is on fire. It was that quick and that easy to make fire with my Fresnel lens. I mean, that took almost no time at all. That's burning. I can now put tinder on that and burn that, and probably it's going to catch this cardboard on fire within a very few seconds. So, really cool tool, really fast working, and a great way to get a fire going really quickly in the field if you need to. You know, that may have been one of the fastest videos I've ever done. Remember, the key to using a lens to make fire is you're not trying to actually make the fire with the lens. You're trying to get something hot enough that you can get an ember in there that you can then blow into fire with some really fine tinder. In my case, I like to use dryer lint, but you can use a lot of other things. I've had limited success with other materials. I've had a lot of success using char cloth and dryer lint. So experiment with some different type of materials, see what you can do to create fire using a Fresnel lens. In the meantime, if you like the video, click on the like button below, also subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell so that you'll be told when we have new videos coming out. In the meantime, remember what we always say, stay strong, stay prepared, and have a blessed day. We'll see you real soon right here on Cowboy Survival.